We have the problem where a ponderosa pine forest in Colorado has a pine beetle infestation, and those beetles can carry a fungus that will kill the tree. The forest can be treated and not eliminated if the proportion of infested trees is less than 20%, and in a sample of 180 trees we find that 26 are infested. If you go through the hypothesis test here with 26 out of 180 and test an alternative that the proportion is less than 0.2, where we're using a null of equal to 0.2, what you'll end up finding is that you will reject the null. So we're asked then, based on this, that the forest could be treated because we reject the null and say that the proportion is less than 0.2, what type of error might have we made? There's two types of errors when you're doing a hypothesis test: rejecting the null when the null is really true, or not rejecting the null when the null was really false. In this problem, because we rejected the null, the type of error that we could have made is rejecting the null when the null is really true, and that is called a type 1 error. So we could have rejected our null when the null was really true. So that's the possibility of the type of error that could have happened here. And the probability of that type of error is the same as your significance level. So the chance of that happening here would only be a 5% chance.